What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with PayPal online in 2021. And best of all, I'm going to show you how to do this for free. Now on the screen here, these are some payments that I've been getting from PayPal. So I get paid into PayPal every single month from different types of methods that I use to make money online. And in this video, we're going to talk about one specific method that's really good for beginners. So if you've been looking to earn money with PayPal, this is the video that you're going to want to watch because I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to earn with PayPal as a complete beginner. And this is one of the best ways to earn some money online. If you know what PayPal is, it's been around for a long time, it's everywhere, and you can make money with this specific platform. And I've been making money for a long time, and especially into my PayPal account. Now you're going to want to stay all the way to the end of this video because I actually have a bonus on how I'm making more money via this platform and this method. So I'm kind of boosting up my income, and I'm going to show you this little secret strategy at the end of this video. All right, guys, so the first thing about making money on PayPal, we need to kind of understand how you make money with PayPal. So essentially you have a PayPal account and a person or a company will pay you money. And there's many ways that this could work. You could sell a course online and you can get paid by someone. You could do what we call affiliate marketing and a company will pay you a commission. There's all sorts of ways that you can make money with PayPal, okay? Now, one of the best ways to actually do this is to do a method called affiliate marketing. And what happens is you get a custom link and you send traffic to that link, and if people buy from that link, you get a commission, and then that company will pay you via PayPal. But not all companies actually pay you via PayPal, so you've got to be careful on what you choose. But affiliate marketing is probably the best way to do this if you are a beginner, because you don't have to create your own product or anything like that, okay? You promote other people's products to make money. Now, if you want to kind of see the potential of this, so this is a website called smartpassiveincome.com, and this is an old income report from 2017. But what happens is this guy actually lists some of the things that he promoted and makes money from, and I also make quite a bit of money doing this as well. But I want to show you this because this is a very good income report. So he promotes these kind of products, like one here called bluehost.com, where he made $40,000 in 1 month. And then this one here, ConvertKit, he made $12,000 in 1 month. This one here, 300, 5,000. You kind of get the point. So there's a lot of money to be made. Now you might be asking yourself, what is Bluehost? What is ConvertKit? What are all these things? These are softwares and programs and kind of courses and stuff that you can promote to make a commission. Okay, you get paid, and then you can potentially get paid into your PayPal account. And this is how you make money on PayPal. So let's jump into this, and I'll kind of explain to you how this all works from a beginner's point of view. So first of all, you could use a website called clickbank.com, and they have lots of products that you can promote. But the problem is, at least in my country, I can't get paid via PayPal with ClickBank. So that's out the window for this tutorial, okay? Now, Digistore is kind of another version of ClickBank, and as far as I'm aware, they pay you via PayPal, or that's how they pay me. So you could sign up to a website called Digistore, and you can find products on here to promote for a commission, and they will pay you into PayPal. And we'll talk about how you can get traffic and all that sort of stuff later on in this video. Now, this is okay, but what I recommend you do, and what I've been doing for a long time, is to go out and promote like products and softwares and things like that people actually need. So for example, if we go back and we look at this guy's thing here, it says Bluehost, $40,000 in 1 month. I make around about $8,000 right now per month promoting this platform. But you might be asking, what is Bluehost? So Bluehost is a website where people start a website, okay? So people come to this website, they get a hosting plan, they pay a monthly fee to start their own website or blog or, you know, things to do with websites, right? And what you can actually do is you can scroll to the bottom, I think it's at the bottom, and you can click affiliates. And when you click affiliates, it'll take you to their affiliate page. And you can sign up and you can get paid around about $65 every time you send someone to this website and they purchase a plan. Now I get paid $130, I think, because I send more people. The more people you send, the more money you're actually going to make. But it starts off at $65, which is really, really, really good. So Bluehost is one of the platforms that you can promote. Now the reason I recommend these types of programs is because they pay via PayPal. A lot of companies don't, but these software companies, they pay via PayPal. And then another one that you can do is called GetResponse, and you can scroll down to the bottom, and once again you can click on affiliate programs down here, and you can sign up and you can promote this product. Now for this particular tutorial, we're going to concentrate on GetResponse. And the reason is actually a few reasons why I like this program and I like promoting this program to get commissions. Okay, so the first thing is they pay a very good amount of money. So there's two ways you can do this. You can get paid $100 for every person you sign up, or you can get a 33% commission every single month for people that sign up and stay on, which is the one that I do because I like recurring commissions. Now, another reason why I like promoting this particular product, it's something people need. So people actually need this in their business. It's free for people to sign up. So this is another good thing. You want to promote something that's free for people to sign up because then it's a low barrier to entry. It gets them in and there's a higher chance they're going to keep using that program if it's free. Obviously, they have to start paying after about 30 days. I think it's a 30-day trial, but they're probably going to stick to it because they've set everything up in there. It's a great program. We spelled that wrong. Let's fix that. It's a great program. I use it myself, but it has loads of features, and this is really important when you're actually promoting these products to get paid via PayPal, okay? And the features is one of the most important things. So with this particular platform, people can do a lot of things. They can do email marketing. They can do funnels. They can do marketing automation. They can build websites now, which is new. They can do live chat. They can do landing pages. They can do webinars. They can create what we call opt-in forms. So that's the good thing about GetResponse is promoting this particular program. It gives you a wide range of ways that you can get traffic because you're not just promoting an email marketing software, you're promoting an all-in-one business software, and there's really a lot of angles that you can do to get people to sign up and for you to make a commission. So we've found a product, GetResponse. They pay us into PayPal. I know they do because I get paid every single month from GetResponse. How do you actually get traffic so you can make money with this affiliate marketing program? How can you promote this program? So what happens is you will get a link, right? So here's my link right here. All I've got to do is send people to this link. And then what happens is when they sign up, I'll show you right here. Here's some earnings here. So this month we've done 500, it'll go up, but we do like around about $2,000 per month, right? So, and then I get paid this into my PayPal. But how do you actually get traffic? How do you get these signups and how do you get people to click your link and purchase this program through you? Well, the best way to do this and the free way, it's better to do this for free because you want to get all profit, is to use YouTube. And the best thing about GetResponse and YouTube is because GetResponse has all of these different features, there's lots of angles that you can do. So for example, you can do videos based on how to create a webinar, how to create a webinar presentation, how to create a webinar funnel, how to create a webinar that sells. You can do how to create a landing page. You can do tutorials on how to create a website, how to create a website for business, how to create a website to sell things, right? How to create an opt-in page, which is where people collect emails. Thing about YouTube traffic, it's completely free for you to do, to go and get YouTube traffic. There's lots of people searching on YouTube, and it's probably the best way to go and get affiliate marketing traffic. Let me show you some examples real quick, right? So if I go to like how to create an opt-in page, an opt-in page is a page where people put in their email, that's what it's called, and people collect emails. There's all of these videos, how to create an opt-in page, how to create an opt-in page. So you can kind of go and see what other people are doing. And here's one of mine that we're going to actually look at in a second. But you can go and see what other people are actually doing based off specific keywords. And YouTube gives you all of these ideas. So let me explain to you how it kind of works based on two of my videos right here. This is one of my videos called How to Build an Affiliate Marketing Funnel. So I'm teaching people how to build a funnel, a sales funnel in the affiliate marketing space. And you can actually see on this one here, I have this one here. So I actually have ClickFunnels, which is a program where I get affiliate marketing commission. Then here, free GetResponse trial. People click this, they sign up to GetResponse, I get a commission, then I get paid into PayPal. Now another great way actually, so you use YouTube, right, to get the traffic. But another thing that you could actually do is, this is something that I've done, it's a little bit different. And essentially what I've done is a step-by-step guide on how to start your own affiliate marketing business. And then what I do is I teach people how to start an affiliate marketing website. So it's like a free course. But you'll see here that when people click on this and they go to Bluehost, so if we click on this, they go to Bluehost and like I recommend this, right? and they sign up to Bluehost, so it says exclusive offer for friends of Franklin Hatchet. When people sign up, I get a commission. But the whole point of this is I'm giving people a complete free course on how to create an affiliate marketing website. Then when they sign up to Bluehost, right, I get an affiliate marketing commission. So it's about giving away something for free, some value. So the free thing here is the free course, that's the value. And then when people sign up through my affiliate links, I get a commission. So if you go and do a video on how to create a landing page, for example, or how to create an email list or something like that, for the funnel one, you could do a free course on like a free page like this, very simple, on how to create a funnel, and you can because a video is all good, it teaches people, but you could also link out to a page like where you have a free course and you teach people how to create a funnel there as well. So you really give out a lot of value, and then you get a lot back in return via commissions and things like that, and building up an ecosystem and an audience, and you make affiliate marketing commissions and you get paid by PayPal from these affiliate marketing softwares. All right, guys, so that's how you can make money online with PayPal. This is one of the best strategies. This is how I make money online with affiliate marketing. It's free traffic. It's the best traffic. If you want some more videos on how to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen right now that you can watch. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.